Hello fellow traders. I often encounter new traders who struggle to differentiate between strong trends and false signals. Today I'll show you how to use the Directional Movement Index, DMI, an essential tool that simplifies trend analysis and decision making. Today we'll get into Directional Movement Index, DMI for beginners, to unlock the power of trend strength and direction by a pajama trader. Let's get into it. What is the Directional Movement Index, DMI? Developed by J. Wells Wilder, the DMI is a trend-following technical indicator used to identify the direction of an uptrend or down, measure the strength of that trend. The three components: the plus DI, positive directional indicator, tracks upward price movement. The negative DI, negative directional indicator, tracks the downward price movement. The ADX, the average directional index, quantifies the trend strength. Values range from 0 to 100. The key insights for beginners is the DMI doesn't predict prices, it just confirms trends, making it great as a companion to other indicators. The DMI eliminates guesswork, showing when buyers or sellers dominate. Think of the DI plus and the DI minus as a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. The ADX, meanwhile, tells us if the game is even worth playing. Breaking down the DMI components. The DI plus, positive directional indicator, measures how high today's price is compared to yesterday's. A higher DI plus indicates bulls are in control. The negative DI, the negative directional indicator, measures how low today's price is compared to yesterday's. A higher negative DI indicates the bears are in control. The ADX, average directional index, above 25 is a strong trend. A weak trend if it's below 20. Consider using these concepts by using real-world strategies like the SPY. If you use a DI plus rising above the DI negative or negative DI with the ADX above 25, that's your green light to build or consider entering the bull trend. Using DMI with SPY S&P 500 ETF. Let's analyze SPY's daily chart. In case 1, the plus DI crossed above the negative DI November 15, 2024, while the ADX was at 30. An interpretation of that was the start of a bullish trend. In case 2, the ADX fell below 20 on December 5th, 2024. The interpretation of that was that the market is choppy and avoid trend-following strategies. This was an example of how the DMI can confirm when to ride trends and when to step aside. I advise pairing this with other moving averages, like the MFI, to strengthen your signals. When the DMI may not work. Limitations: not useful in range-bound markets. Lags in volatile markets due to reliance on historical data. Solution: combine DMI with oscillators like the MFI for overbought or oversold conditions. Use higher ADX values, example, plus 30, to confirm strong trends. No indicator is perfect. The key is learning when to use it and apply it. Practical trading tips. Plus DI crossover. Bullish signal when the plus DI crosses above the negative DI. ADX above 25 confirms trend strength. ADX divergence. Watch for weakening ADX in a trend as an early warning of a reversal. Pairing. Combine the DMI with volume indicators for better entries. These tips comes from years of helping others and seeing what works consistently. Quick recap of the DMI. Understanding the DMI, the plus DI tracks upward trends, while the negative DI tracks downward trends, and the ADX measures trend strength. How to use the DMI. Look for plus DI or negative DI crossovers for trend signals, and use an ADX greater than 25 to confirm strength. A real example with the SPY. The SPY demonstrated how DMI highlights strong trends and when to avoid choppy markets. Practical tips. A combined DMI with other indicators like the MFI or strong moving averages for a stronger edge. Before you go, we'd like to hear from you. If you found value in this video, give it a like. Subscribe for more trading videos, tutorials, and strategies tailored to beginners and advanced traders alike. And share this video with other trading buddies who are looking to get a better edge on their trading game. You got any questions or any favorite indicators? Drop them in the comments. And thanks again for watching.